Felipe Cathedral in honor of Philip. Inside of the cathedral there are a lot of glass window that represent Jesus Christ life when he born till ascending to sky. It's a two twin tower Art Deco, the style of the San Felipe Cathedral. It became cathedral 20 years ago. This is Puerto Plata. When we officially become a province of Spain, they give us the shield that you see it on the City Hall building. Puerto Plata was abandoned for 100 years when the group from Spain discovered that the citizens were having trade with other group. They decided to abandon Puerto Plata, and they took citizens of Puerto Plata, Monte, people from the Dajabon, and they took these people into Monte Plata, and they founded Monte Plata province. So the province that was founded with the people from Monte Cristi and Puerto Plata was Monte Plata province. In 1737 then, the group from Spain decided to reopen Puerto Plata, and they brought 50 families from Canary Island. So at the time when Gregorio Luperón was facing the Spanish, the structure of the city were built on wooden structure similar like Canary Island. So Queen from England, Victory, she was very close friend of Gregorio Luperón because he was ambassador in England, and she rebuilt Puerto Plata. She ordered some technician, Gregorio Luperón, rebuilt Puerto Plata with the Victorian style building that were surrounded the Independence Plaza, and they're recognized as a national monument of the Dominican Republic. Now we go to see the last place. It is San Felipe Fortress, the only 16th century building around the north coast. The north coast is 225 kilometers. We're gonna go there to have a panoramic photos. Sí.